Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka number 23. Om Tat Sat. This has been declared to be the triple designation of Brahman. By that were created formerly the Brahmanas, Vedas, and Yagnas, sacrifices.
Chapter 17, Shloka 23. Om Tassatidhi Nirdesho Brahmanastrividha Smritaha Brahmanastena Vedascha Yajñascha Vikitah Pura.
Chapter 17, Shloka 23. The following instructions are given with a view to perfecting acts of sacrifice, gift, austerities, etc. Om Tat Sat has been declared as the triple designation Nirdesh of Brahman. It is by which any defects that are in the sacred worship is removed. Every action has its fruit, which depends not only upon the action but also the motive and intentions of the persons. Therefore, actions by all may appear similar, but the results thereof would vary according to the essential quality of the intentions. Our intentions can be sanctified by remembrance of the Lord. When we dissociate with matter layers, we awaken and identify with the Lord. To the extent the activity is selfless, the rewards are pure. To liquidate the ego is to discover the self. Om Tat Sat is a sentence of 3 words, each denoting one aspect or the other of the reality. To invoke the thoughts of Om, which expresses the transcendental absolute, or to invoke Tat, the universal truth, or to cherish the concept of Sat, the reality, is to tune up our instruments of action and thereby chasten all our activities in the world outside. The eternal reality indicated in the triple designation of Brahman, Om Tat Sat, is the source from which all castes, the Vedas, and the sacrifices arose even at the time of creation. All these are the superimposition which arise, exist, and disappear into their own substratum. Activities are classified under the following heads. All activities, ahar, for body nourishment, all cooperative activities pursued with a spirit of dedication, yagna, all charities, dana, and all intelligent methods of self-control, tapas. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.